Welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming today and spending some time with me. Today I'm working on an 18 by 36 inch canvas, which is 45 by 91 centimeters. I mixed my colors already, and I'm going to be working with some gold, which is this one, and I only mixed this with water, nothing else, just water, a Mars Black from Liquitex, and a permanent blue violet from Amsterdam Acrylic. The white is just a house paint. That's all it is, and all I did was mix that with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and a teaspoon of water, and that's it. The other colors I've shown you. So I'm going to be kind of splitting the canvas and then using my marble. I'm going to be using my marble, if I could find it. Oh boy. My idea is to put on some purple and gold in puddles and let the marble kind of go through it between the 2 black and white colors. So here we go. Marble, and I'm just going to put it on top of there, and then I'm going to tilt. Now it's a large canvas, so it's not easy to do, so I'm going to take my time and see what happens. Just take your time when you're doing this. This is looking great. Just let it roll, take your time. Enjoy the process. It's supposed to be fun. Oops, not really liking this one. I'm gonna go through the middle and then up over here and then back down. Look at the lovely colors it leaves. I'm going to do that the same here. Whoa. It kind of reminds me of a chain pull or a string pull. Okay, keep going here, through that. Tilt through the white, back around, back down through here. Oh, it's getting heavy. Okay, it's pushing the paint out. I think it's looking great. Look at those lines. Beautiful. One last one. Whoops, didn't go through. That's okay. I'll get it. Look at that. I'm gonna let it go. Boom. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. I am super happy with that. Woohoo! Okay, sorry about the glare from my lights there, but look. I love that. It turned out beautiful, very abstracted, but so pretty. Just love it. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with that. Especially this one here. Look at that. Beautiful. I just wanted to show you a quick video. This is the next day and it's dried, almost dried. You can see it's a little bit shiny, but looks great. Love it.